In this quick video, I will show you how to find your Martian APTOS wallet step by step. So the first step is to have a Martian wallet. If you don't have one, you can go to martianwallet.xyz and click add to browser. And then once you have a Martian wallet in your browser, you can go to any exchange, but you also have a another option which you can also buy using your Martian wallet. You can click here and you can choose any of these options. But for this video, we're going to focus on depositing Aptos from any exchange that supports Aptos to Martian wallet. So let's go to Binance.com and then log in first. You will gonna need to log in first and then click wallet here, click fiat and spot. So if you don't have an Aptos in your fiat and spot wallet, you can either buy, deposit, or trade. And if you want to trade, you can choose any of these pairs. And then once you have Aptos in your wallet, click withdraw here and go to your Martian wallet. Click your address here and then paste the address here. And you don't need to change the network because it automatically matches the corresponding network. So the next one is you cannot type the amount you want to withdraw, but make sure that it is 0.02 and above. So for example, I want to withdraw 0.065 aptos, and you can also see the network fee and the amount that you will receive. And then click withdraw here, click continue, and you will gonna need to fill up all this information and click submit here. Then wait for the transaction to be completed and then go to your Martian wallet here. And as you can see, I have a recent withdrawal here from Binance. You can see that I have withdrawn 0.065 aptos, and you can see from the activity that I have received 0.065 aptos. And if you have any questions about how to find your Martian APTOS wallet, leave a comment below.